In the year 2026, the automotive battery industry has become a masterclass in the illusion of choice. We are going to strip away the marketing gloss and reveal 10 battery brands that offer superior engineering for a fraction of the cost, exposing the predatory tactics used to keep you paying a premium for mediocrity. This is not just about lead and acid, it is about the psychology of the brand tax and how you can stop being the victim in this multi-billion-dollar game of planned obsolescence. Before we dive into the data that the big retailers do not want you to see, take a moment to subscribe to this channel and join a community dedicated to seeing through the corporate smoke and mirrors. The great deception begins with the realization that almost every battery sold in North America is manufactured by only 3 massive entities: Clarios, Penn, and Stryten Energy. These titans produce hundreds of different labels, from the cheapest budget options to the most elite professional grades, often using the exact same assembly lines. You are often paying an extra $100 for a different colored plastic casing and a more aggressive font on the sticker. They rely on your fear of being stranded to drive you toward the high-margin products, using specifications like cold cranking amps as a distraction from the metrics that actually determine how long a battery will live. At number 10, we find the Interstate MTZ, a brand that has become the darling of independent repair shops across the country. Interstate is the master of the dealer incentive model, where they provide shops with free racks and lucrative profit margins to ensure their brand is the first one recommended to a desperate customer. While the marketing suggests a premium experience, real-world data from 2025 and 2026 shows these batteries often suffer from internal plate degradation in as little as 16 months. You are paying for the convenience of the dealer network and the comfort of a familiar name, but the cost per month of ownership makes this one of the poorest values on the market. The Interstate MTZ is the ultimate zombie battery, a product kept alive by a massive distribution web rather than superior engineering. Moving to number 9, we encounter the DieHard Advanced Gold, a name that carries immense weight for anyone who remembers the golden era of Sears. The brand was sold off to Advance Auto Parts, and while they still lean heavily on that legacy of ruggedness, the current reality does not match the myth. Testing in colder climates reveals that despite impressive cold cranking amp ratings, these batteries frequently lose their ability to hold a charge after just 80 months of heavy cycling. High cranking power is like a sprinter who can run a 100-meter dash in record time but collapses before reaching the end of the block. You do not need a sprinter for your daily commute. You need a marathon runner, and the DieHard name is currently running on the fumes of past glory. Number 8 brings us to the Optima Yellow Top, perhaps the most recognizable battery in the world due to its unique spiral cell design and vibrant colors. Optima has successfully marketed itself as a lifestyle brand for off-roaders and performance enthusiasts, charging a staggering premium for its vibration resistance. However, for 95% of drivers who never take their vehicle off a paved road, this expensive technology is entirely redundant. The spiral design actually results in less surface area for the chemical reaction compared to modern flat-plate AGM designs, meaning you are paying luxury prices for average capacity. It is a classic example of over-engineering for the wrong problem, where the consumer pays for a feature they will never use while sacrificing the longevity they actually need. In a surprising twist at number 7, we have Duralast Gold, the house brand of AutoZone. This is where the veil begins to lift, as these batteries are often manufactured by the same companies that produce the high-end labels, but without the massive advertising budget. Because AutoZone moves such a high volume of units, the turnover is rapid, meaning you are almost always buying a fresh battery that hasn't been sitting on a shelf for 6 months. Duralast Gold offers a solid, no-nonsense construction that consistently matches the performance of brands costing twice as much. This is the white label secret of the industry. When you stop paying for the television commercials, the engineering actually starts to speak for itself. Number 6 is the EverStart Max, the budget-friendly giant found on the shelves of Walmart. For years, there has been a social stigma attached to buying car parts from a grocery store, a psychological barrier that the premium brands rely on to keep their market share. Yet, when you look at the raw data, the EverStart Max frequently outperforms professional-grade batteries in both reserve capacity and longevity. It is often produced by Clarios, the same manufacturer behind many luxury brands, proving that the price gap is fueled by nothing more than snobbery and retail markups. By choosing the budget option, you are often getting the exact same internal lead plates as the person who paid double at a specialized boutique. At number 5, we find AC Delco Professional, the brand most closely associated with General Motors. AC Delco represents the reliable middle ground of the industry, focusing on steady, predictable performance rather than flashy marketing gimmicks. These batteries are built to the rigorous standards of original equipment manufacturers, meaning they are designed to survive the entire warranty period of a new vehicle without drama. They do not claim to be revolutionary, but in a market filled with innovations that fail in 2 years, their consistency is a quiet form of rebellion. It is a sensible choice for the driver who wants a set-it-and-forget-it solution without the premium price gouging. Coming in at number 4 is the Hankook Intercell Plus, a contender that many American drivers completely overlook because they associate the name with tires. This Korean-made powerhouse is a prime example of how global competition is disrupting the domestic battery monopoly. The Intercell Plus features exceptionally high reserve capacity, which is the battery's ability to keep your electronics running if the alternator fails. While American brands focus on the flash of high cranking numbers, Hankook focuses on the substance of deep cycle durability. It is a reminder that the best engineering often comes from the brands that spend their money on the factory floor rather than the marketing department. The top 3 begins with the Bosch S6AGM at number 3, a product of German precision that actually lives up to the hype. Modern cars are essentially rolling computers filled with sensors, screens, and start-stop systems that put an immense strain on the electrical system. The Bosch S6 is designed specifically for this high-drain environment, using absorbent glass mat technology that can handle hundreds of discharge cycles without losing its edge. It is expensive, yes, but unlike the marketing premiums we discussed earlier, the cost here is justified by a manufacturing process that minimizes internal resistance and maximizes power density. This is how you build a battery for the year 2026. At number 2, we have the Odyssey Extreme Series, a battery that reframes the entire concept of value. Instead of using recycled lead alloys, Odyssey uses 99% pure virgin lead plates, which are thinner and can be packed more tightly into the case. This pure lead technology allows for more surface area, resulting in twice the overall power and 3 times the life of a conventional battery. While the upfront price might cause sticker shock, the Odyssey can easily last over 5 years, even in extreme environments. When you calculate the cost per year of service, this expensive battery actually becomes one of the cheapest options on the list, proving that the villain in this story is often the cheap battery that needs to be replaced every 18 months. Finally, at number 1, the champion of the 2026 battery market is the NorthStar Pure Lead AGM. Most drivers have never heard of NorthStar, and that is precisely why it is the best. They do not spend money on celebrity endorsements or flashy retail displays. They spend it on structural integrity and chemical purity. Like Odyssey, NorthStar uses pure lead plates, but they have optimized the housing to be virtually indestructible and resistant to the heat soak that kills most batteries in the southern states. In rigorous testing, NorthStar batteries consistently last 6 to 8 years, effectively ending the cycle of buy and replace that the rest of the industry depends on for profit. The lesson here is simple but profound. The battery industry thrives on your ignorance and your desire for a quick fix. The villain is the marketing machine that uses brand recognition to sell you an inferior product, while the victim is the consumer who pays the price both in dollars and in the frustration of a dead car. We have been conditioned to believe that a famous name equals reliability, but in the world of lead and acid, engineering is the only truth that matters. Next time your car won't start, don't ask the guy behind the counter what he recommends. He is likely being paid to push a specific brand. Instead, look at the manufacturer, check the reserve capacity, and remember that a battery's true value is measured in years, not in the logos on the sticker. Which of these brands have you trusted in the past, and did they live up to the promise, or did they leave you stranded when you needed them most? The battery price illusion only works if we continue to buy into the myth of the premium brand. Take control of your vehicle's reliability by choosing engineering over advertising. If this deep dive into the hidden world of automotive tech helped you see through the corporate spin, make sure to subscribe and share this with someone who is tired of being taken for a ride. Your car deserves better, and your wallet does too.